Let's be honest, not everyone wants to point a camera in their face and say, "Hey guys, welcome back to my channel." But what if I told you there are 7 ways to make real passive income online, even if you are an introvert? No camera, no filming, and no fancy setup. If you watch till the end, I can assure you that you will have at least one passive income idea that you can start this week, next week, or whenever you choose. Before we dive in, I drop new videos weekly. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you get notified when I drop new videos. And as a bonus, I will add a short session where I show you how to find affiliate links that you can start with if you decide to start a side business with affiliate marketing. And I will drop some links in the comment section for you to check out. Ensure that you watch till the end, and if you have subscribed and you're ready, let's dive in. Number 1, freelancing a skill that you already have. So let's start simple. The easiest way to make money without showing your face online is to freelance something you are already good at. Don't get me wrong, there is nothing wrong with learning something new. As a matter of fact, I love to learn new things, but sometimes it is easier to start a side business using a skill that you already know. It could be anything from writing to graphic design to video editing. You don't need a website, just a free Canva portfolio and a LinkedIn profile that is updated. Start with small gigs, charge what you feel is right, and use testimonials from your current clients to attract new clients. It is the fastest way to turn your existing skill into actual cash. Number 2, be a social media account manager, even if you have 0 followers. If you're a Gen Z or a millennial watching this video, congratulations, you already know more about social media than half the business owners out there. So what do? You simply offer to run content for small businesses who have no idea what trending audio even means. You can literally learn as you go. Use free tools like CapCut and Canva to create and edit your content and get paid to post memes and reels for their businesses. Number 3, teach what you know, like coaching, tutoring, or preparing mini courses. If you have knowledge in anything, it could be mathematics, calligraphy, cooking, Excel, PowerPoint, I can bet you that someone is willing to pay you to learn from you. You can teach one-on-one over Zoom or sell mini courses on sites like Udemy, Gumroad, and the likes. You can charge for your services, and it is not just about making money, it's about adding value and turning what is already in your brain into an asset that generates extra revenue or extra income for you long term. Number 4, sell digital downloads on Etsy. Okay, this one is gold. Selling digital downloads on Etsy is one of the most beginner-friendly passive income models out there. Things like planners, templates, budgeting, spreadsheets, or printable wall art. I have discovered that with Etsy, you create your template once, upload it once, and it keeps selling even while you sleep. And a simple tip for this strategy would be to start with 4 to 5 listings, test what works, and double down on that niche. One viral listing on Etsy can fund your next vacation. Number 5, user-generated content. What is that, you may be wondering? It is real content made by real users. User-generated content creators are now paid to create content for brands, even if they don't have huge followings. Brands use these videos for ads, product launches, and campaigns because they look natural and they are relatable. You don't need a big following to make money with content. Brands are paying creators to make short videos for their products for social media. For example, it could be a customer recording a short video reviewing a product that they love, or a TikTok or reel showing someone unboxing an item they bought. You record product demos, you can do voiceovers without having to show your face. A skincare brand might pay you some hundreds of dollars for a simple morning routine clip that you filmed with your phone. And you can do 5 to 10 of these every week and stay completely off camera but still earn extra cash. Number 6 is affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing is perfect for introverts because it does not require you to talk on camera. You just share useful links. You can build a faceless TikTok or Pinterest board or a small blog and post recommendations with your affiliate links. When someone buys through your link, you get a commission. And with this strategy, you don't need to go through the hassle of creating your own product. You simply get commissions on products that already exist and people want to buy. The good thing about this strategy is that there are diverse affiliate marketing platforms offering opportunities across industries like fashion, fitness, travel, and more. And you simply pick a niche and create impact. People trust authenticity more than the hype. Number 7, YouTube automation. Yes. So last but not least is the ultimate introvert business, a faceless YouTube channel. You can outsource voiceovers, script writing, and video editing, or use your own voice over a stock footage and post it. These channels grow like crazy, especially if you focus on search-based content and you maintain consistency. I bet you did not know that an average YouTube channel in the digital marketing or passive income niche can realistically earn up to $6,000 per month through a mix of AdSense, affiliate marketing, digital products, and sponsorships once it builds consistent traffic and engagement. There you go. I have just shared 7 real passive income ideas for introverts and people who do not want to show their face online or be in front of a camera. You can still generate passive income. The key is to pick one of the 7 ideas I have just analyzed and actually start, because the only thing worse than being on camera is watching someone else make the money you could have made but did not make simply because you did not start something. There are many more online business ideas for introverts, which I will share in another video at a later time. So watch out for my next video. And if you would like me to talk on something specific, kindly leave your suggestions in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I will leave you with a bonus session for staying till the end. Go to bloggingwizard.com. You will be able to find these 10 best affiliate platforms and networks compared. And there are really different ones you can look at. There's the Awin, and with this, they work with Etsy, AliExpress, HP, StubHub, different things really, depending on the kind of products. As you can see right here, it says niche product types, and they have over 1,300 merchants with both physical and digital products for almost every niche. So this is something you want to take a look at, and the minimum payout starts from $20. So that's one what you can look at if you want to visit. I'll drop the link to the page in the comment section, and you can take a look at it and check it out yourself. There's also Partner Stack. They are a little bit on the low side. They also are more in the B2B niche, but their payout is a little bit low, $5 US. But hey, you never know. There's also the Amazon Associates. With the Amazon Associates, you have niche products, basically anything sold on Amazon websites, including products from third-party vendors. And average commission rates ranges from 1% to 10% depending on the category. So that's why I said you want to try different niches and see which one works, and then you double down on that. Minimum payouts is basically $10 for gift cards or for direct deposits. So the minimum you can cash out would be from $10 and upward. Let's see. And if you want to visit Amazon Associates, you basically click on here to learn more. So on this website, there is actually so much you can look at. There's Rakuten Marketing. That's another one where they work with over 1,000 merchants, and you can probably find offers in most niches. The minimum payout is $50, as you can see right here. So There's just so many options with affiliate marketing. You can actually have more than one niche. You don't have to stick to just one. You can try different niches and pick a couple that actually work for you. And you can start to learn how you can post your links, where you can post your links, and how to go about it. So I will leave the link down in the comment section. You can click the link, and that way you can take your time and browse through all of these. There's the Walmart affiliates. This is also a good one. Walmart is also a big company, just like Amazon is. Walmart is also a big name. So, and they also have a minimum payout of $50. So there are really different niches you can look at, and you can visit each one of them. And thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. I hope this video tutorial was informative. I believe you will be able to find an affiliate marketing niche and links that you can start your side business with. Check out the comment section for the link to the website and the link to other digital business ideas you can check out. I hope I have been able to add value. Thank you for staying till the end.